tested under the most extreme conditions. Proven in everyday life. We trust it when it comes to caring for the very young. And rely on it for our health. It provides us with the basic necessities of life while meeting the highest standards of hygiene and quality. PPSU, a material that we trust so much that our fittings for drinking water installations have been made of PPSU for over 20 years. And that for a good reason. FRÄNKISCHE PPSU fittings are free from harmful lead, are chemically resistant and do not corrode. They remain dimensionally stable, prevent incrustation and are particularly durable. Furthermore, PPSU fittings are significantly lighter, less expensive and more stable in price than metal alternatives. Our portfolio is constantly being expanded and includes a wide range of different products in sizes, from 16 to 75 mm diameter. Several million PPSU fittings are produced every year here in Königsberg. Quality made in Germany. FRÄNKISCHE PPSU fittings and the perfectly matched alpex multilayer composite pipes simply bring together what belongs together.